Gotta get my 2-minute update with crypto.com. I'm never trading late. Skip the frenzy, let's check this.
Welcome, CRO family. Thanks for joining me today. Check out the GROKRadio playlist in this channel for amazing Grok music. Subscribing, liking, commenting, and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics. The price today for your coin is 0.90 cents, down 0.72% with volume down 45.62%. The price is ranging from a high of 9.1 cents and a low of 0.89. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 2,442,551,000, which is down, and a trading volume of 4,335,000, which is down. Etherscan is showing 313,233 holders, up 33. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 Crypto.com with 34.76, number 2 is Truebit with 14.58%, and number 3 Leaders Bank with 7.61%. For our social presence, on X, our main account has 2.8 million followers, and our main Reddit channel has 208,000 members. I hope everyone watching today is living their best CRO life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Au revoir.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.
I'm on the chain, see my balance packed. Graphs and charts, they never slack. Gotta get my 2-minute update with crypto.com. I'm never trading late. Skip the frenzy, let's check the stats. Crypto numbers, growing stacks. Round and round, do-si-do. In the crypto dance, we all on top.